Alright, let's get started with the first game. It's called as Origami. It's a very simple game to play, but it can get very complicated as you play more and more. So you will have a piece of paper which you should fold as instructed. Initially it starts with 2 folds, but then as the level passes on, you will need to fold more and more in the least chances possible. It's a really tricky and mind-boggling game, and I'm sure you will have a lot of fun playing this game. So the link to download this game is in the description below. Please check it out. So the next game on the list is called as 2-player game. So this is basically a shelf application that has a lot of games in it to play. If you and your friend are really bored, then you can open this app and play games like ping pong, spin war, which is like the spin-off version of Beyblade the cartoon, knife thrower, pull the rope, tic-tac-toe, and much more. If you don't have another friend to play, you can play these games in single player mode where your opponent will be the AI. Either way, it's really fun to play and a cool app to have because it has a lot of games in it which you can play with your friend or play alone. So the link is there in the description below. You can download and check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The next game on the list is called as Mob Control. So to start explaining this game, it's a bit weird, but trust me, it's really fun to play. So basically there will be a base which you should capture, and it might require a set number of people to capture the base. Now you will have a cannon launcher with you, with which you can launch your men towards the base, and while you launch there will be multiplier gates through which you can multiply the count of your men if they pass through it, which helps to fasten the process a little bit. Now initially the game might look very simple to play because it's a straight level, but the more you play, the difficult the game becomes. So it's a really fun game to play. The link is in the description to download. Please check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So if you have come this far watching this video, then don't forget to drop a like for this video and share this video with all of your friends, and also subscribe to Tech Arena for more interesting tech videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post any new video. Now let's get back to the next game, which is called as Unblock. Just as it sounds, it's a game where you need to unblock the path for the object that has been blocked with some kind of barriers. So initially you can select your object, which can be wood, marble, or car. And there are 3 modes, which are classic and timer mode. The classic mode will not have any time limit, whereas the timer mode will have a time limit to it. So your work in this game is to unblock the path for the object by moving the other objects and figuring out a path of yours. It's just like any other game where the starting level will be very easy to play, but the more you play, the difficult it becomes to play with. So the link to download this app is also in the description below. Check it out and also leave your thoughts in the comment section below about this game. So the last and final game on the list is called as Flappy Dunk. This is a game inspired by the original game called as Flappy Bird, which killed a lot of people by making them addicted. So basically Flappy Bird was a game with which you should tap on the screen where your bird will pass through objectives, and the more you pass, the interesting the game gets. And because of that game being so addictive, many people started playing it and ended up getting agitated by playing it, got suicidal thoughts, and then died. So this game is kind of based on that original Flappy Bird, but in a different form, where this bird, you won't have a Flappy Bird. Instead you will have a basketball with wings. So your work is to tap on the screen and move that ball from one place to another and pass inside hoops. So if you fail to pass inside the hoops, then you will fail the game. So it's just like passing the bird through the object, but instead of the objects, you will have hoops here to pass the balls through. So the more you play, the fun it becomes to play. And also you can unlock balls in different colors and sizes and shapes. And you can also change the theme of the overall game by unlocking different themes. So it's a really fun game to play, and I'm sure you have a lot of time, and trust me, you won't get any suicidal thoughts or get addicted to this game because it's kind of different from Flappy Bird. So these were some of the top games for this month, and let me know your favorite game in the comment section below, and don't forget to drop a like for this video, share this video with all of your friends, and hey, just subscribe our channel. It's very simple. Just scroll down, click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one.